Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how ledger wallets work. A ledger wallet is a small, physical device designed to keep your digital assets safe. Think of it as a highly secure vault for your cryptocurrency's private keys. These keys are essential for accessing and managing your funds. By keeping them offline, a ledger wallet protects your assets from online threats like hackers and malware, offering a robust layer of security for your valuable digital holdings. Setting up your ledger wallet is a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. You'll begin by connecting the device to your computer and installing the Ledger Live application. The app will guide you through creating a unique 4 to 8-digit PIN code, which you'll use to unlock your device. The most critical step is writing down your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key, so keep it extremely safe and never share it with anyone. Managing your cryptocurrency transactions with a ledger wallet is both secure and intuitive. To receive funds, simply open the relevant crypto application on your device and generate a receiving address. You can then share this address with the sender. When sending crypto, you'll initiate the transaction through the Ledger Live application. The crucial step is confirming all transaction details directly on your Ledger device, using its physical buttons to approve the secure, offline signature. Ledger wallets incorporate several advanced security features to protect your assets. At their core is a certified secure element chip, designed to withstand sophisticated attacks and keep your private keys isolated. Every transaction requires physical confirmation on the device itself, acting as a powerful two-factor authentication. Should your device ever be lost or damaged, your 24-word recovery phrase ensures you can always restore access to your funds on a new Ledger device, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.